up, peoples? Welcome to Go to Child Entertainment TV, and this is another episode of Tech with Shelton. We're about to get right into it, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I dropped the Tech with Shelton video, and I just want to say shout out to Rode. So Rode, I was in actually in a drawing to win some wireless headphones. And Rode just dropped some headphones back in May, but they didn't disperse them out until about June. So shout out to Rode, for giving me these wireless micro headphones. We're gonna talk about them, and then we actually gonna do an unboxing of the Rodes too as well. And I want to say these is wireless micro ultra compact wireless headphones. If you don't know who Rode deals with podcasting equipment, music, mics, all type of dope stuff, man. So shout out to Rose. Thank y'all for dispersing these nice micro wireless headphones, and I'm actually gonna be using them for my vlogging and short films as well. So what I can tell you about these Rode microphones is that they're very compact. They are a little small. We're gonna bust them up so y'all can see. They got great audio. Like every time you put them on, the audio is great, man. I did like a little feedback. I had went and did some research about them too as well before I even won them from the giveaway drawing. It's a built-in microphone as well, actually in these, which is dope, man. They actually, let's see what else they do. You got 18 hours of play. So this wireless mic is a pocket-sized solution for capturing pristine audio with smartphones connected directly to your phone with no cables required, featuring 2 clips, a transmitter within built-in microphones, so you can actually get recording in seconds. They have intellect gain access technology that will ensure your audio is perfect any environment, with up to 18 hours of battery life, including charger case. It's already here, y'all. It is ideal to grab and go microphones, like for smartphones and content creation. So even if y'all didn't know, you can actually shoot podcasts too on y'all phones. So this would be a good microphones to actually get if you really wanted to shoot podcasts straight from your phone in the comfort of your home or just on the go. So let's check out these wireless mics by Rode. Thank y'all again. Shout out to y'all. And let's go ahead and break the teardown. Let's go ahead and see what they got. And this is just my first impression, so I haven't opened it up. All right, there they go. I haven't opened them up yet. And let me see if I can peel this stuff off. I get into the box. Okay. Alright. Look what it come with. Oh shoot. Scan for more information. It come with that. See how this thing open up. Got another peel right here. Yeah, I think they actually made it. They made these so secure. They said, "Now we're gonna make sure you can." Okay. There you go. All right. Let's see what else they got. Alright, oh dang. So it comes with your C clamp for both sides. C to C. Alright. It comes with a mic covering. Oh, that's dope. 2 of them exactly. I got 2, y'all. 2 pairs. Boy, that's dope. What else comes with your books, quick start, all that good stuff. And everything else will come in with. And that's it in the box. So this is the actually the mics in here itself. Go ahead, man. I'm just gonna rip it up, y'all. My hands is rough. I'm just gonna be real. I be tearing stuff up, y'all. Alright. Oh, dope. That's dope. Ooh. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I can't wait to use these. This made me excited as soon as I open them up. Let's see how. Let's go ahead and open up to you. Y'all see that? Ooh, these boys is actually nice, y'all. Look at them. You can put them on a shirt, tag them on there. This actually, that goes inside of your phone. Man, I didn't know. And these things is small, y'all. It's bueno. Look how little that is. Let me see. Put it on my shirt. Let me see how I put it on my shirt. Put them in like that. Oh, that's pretty dope. It's unique, y'all. I like that. You can put them on like this. Yeah, dope, y'all. Yeah, y'all gotta check these out. These pretty dope. And then they go on there. The little mics right here on the top where you can do your speaking on there. Actually, yeah, these actually dope, y'all. Let me see. You got a clamp. Let me see how you put the clamp on it. So I'm putting the puffer mics, I'm putting the covering off of there. So I had no muffle. They said it's already built in, so. Oh yeah, this is dope. What's up, people? It's your boy Tweezy. You know what it is. Stop playing. But yeah, it's dope. I can't wait to use these. I actually really gonna have fun, man. Now I got something that I could go on the go and actually vlog and be and I can speak to people, do interviews, all that good stuff. Y'all know y'all been seeing them go viral lately, but the Rode, I never actually seen nobody use the Rode, so I'm gonna actually do another video. And if you ain't, please comment in below. What else tech y'all want to see? Actually, for y'all to get videos, actually from Tech from Shelton. Actually, like, share, do all that good stuff, man, so I can continue. Tech products has went up in a major decline, y'all. Like I'm just telling you, like tech stuff is expensive now. And in order for y'all to support my channel, please like and share, man. That will provide me for the finances to get more tech, more phones, different things like that. I know it's been a minute since you've seen Tech with Shelton, and this was the Rode mics. Thank y'all again, Rode. I appreciate y'all for letting me win the drawing, winning. And actually go look them up too on Instagram, and I'll put the link actually in the description. If you ain't, go subscribe to Go to Child Entertainment TV. Share, like, do all that thing. And this was another video of Tech with Tweez. And thank y'all for rocking with me. It's your boy Tweez. Peace.